Warning, there is a good chance Bitcoin Mike has no idea what he's talking about. Do your own research. Enjoy the show. Thank you. All right, folks, Bitcoin coming in at $23,500. About $700 down from where we were this time yesterday. Mainly because of the unemployment numbers. It turns out job reports show increase of 517,000 jobs in January, crushing estimates as unemployment rate hits a 53-year low. As you guys know, the Fed has been trying to tank the economy to curb interest rates. It looks like they can't. Everything they do, even increase in interest rates, is doing nothing to stop the job market. So strangely, that's kind of tanking stocks, because this could signal that the Fed will continue to raise interest rates for the foreseeable future, which I don't think is the case. I think it's good that we have high job numbers right now. I was listening to some analysts talking about maybe a soft landing and we're not going to go into a full-blown recession. So, and we already have interest rates coming down anyway. So I think this is kind of a short-term little dumper. You're seeing a lot of tech stocks down a little bit, and just kind of stocks in general down as the dollar's up. Like I said, Bitcoin 23,500. Cardano's still hanging out at 40 cents. Cardano just wants to hang out at 40 cents now. We may have found a new support at 40 cents, which is awesome. I mean, this time yesterday we were at like 41 cents for Cardano. So Cardano really hasn't even been affected. And I've also noticed that a lot of the dominance during this little dump has come out of Bitcoin and is going into these altcoins. Even VeChain, which usually gets hit really hard. Look at Litecoin. Litecoin's like up from where it was yesterday, which is fascinating to me. VeChain still at like 2.5 cents. Theta at $1.12. So the altcoins are showing strength, which is positive. And listen to Bitboy a little bit today. Bitboy actually said something I agree with. Because you do get a lot of Cardano haters out there who just don't understand the difference between a pump and dumper and a coin like Cardano. Like a lot of these pump and dumpers that you guys are in, it's like comparing a stinky pinky penny stock to like Amazon. And it's just crazy. But anyway, this is kind of funny.
Does ADA ever pump? What a freaking idiotic statement. What an idiotic statement. Now I know why you want to wear camo, because you're an idiot. Because you want to trash something that is pumped more times than you can imagine. But you know what Cardano does? When Cardano sits in a bear market, it sits still and it allows you to accumulate it. Let's look. Let's see if Cardano has ever pumped in its history. Let's go take a look at this. Let's take a look here, bud. Let's see. Has Cardano ever pumped? I don't know. Has it? Has Cardano ever moved in the history of the bull run? Show me a better coin in the last bull run. This thing got to a penny at one point in the bear market, okay? At one point in the bear market, this thing hit a penny. That's a 300 freaking X. 300. That's more money than you probably have in your bank account, sir. That's why you're an idiot. 300. Go take your camo, take off the flannel, go get some Arctic camo. That way you can go to Antarctica and you can sit there and you can be frozen like your wallet is, because it doesn't move forward, because you are too dumb to realize that Cardano pumps. Please, my gosh, a 300X from the bottom. From the average price, a 60X. Yeah, Cardano doesn't pump. What do you call this? What do you call this? This is the echo chamber of it is.
Finally, Bitboy says something I agree with. And yeah, it's absolutely 100% true. People get so mad at Cardano when it's like the easiest coin to make money with. Like, how is Solana, like a coin like Solana, easy to make money with? You have no idea what news is going to come out. It could be bad news one day, good news, bad news. It's just pump and dump, pump and dump. Cardano is so easy. It pumps in the bull market and dumps like a motherfucker in the bear market. So once Cardano has dumped 90%, 80, 90%, you start going in. The lower it goes, the more you buy in anticipation for the next bull market. We've probably already hit bottom for Cardano at 23 cents. We're slowly crawling out of it. I've been predicting a $5, $10, $15 Cardano for 2024, maybe 2025. But people just don't, it's too easy. because the shillers and the scum and the YouTube scum and just and the influencer scum, they don't pump Cardano. And that's why the idiots don't get it. Like when you watch Crypto Banter, he's not pumping Cardano. He's pumping every shitcoin in the book. Like Luna, UST, they all went to zero. You can watch my videos. But the dumb money out there, especially in crypto has the dumbest people in it. It's a lot of young kids. It's a lot of like 18, 19-year, 20-year-old kids. They love the pump and dump coins, and they have no idea. They have no life experience. So when they look at a chart and they see something like Solana where it's like blah, 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 or they see Phantom, it's like, oh, CEO quit, dump, CEO's back, up, oh, conference, it's up again. I mean, it's just pumping numbers. They're great for trading, but Cardano is like the easiest coin to make money with. I mean, all you had to do was buy Cardano over the last year, and if you put like $10,000, $20,000 in Cardano, you'll have enough to buy a house next year. It's so easy, but people can't do it because they're stupid. So I gotta agree with Bitboy on that one. Anyway, all right, we already did the jobs report. Of course, we talked about Bitcoin falls after the jobs report. This is all temporary, though. This whole jobs report, like we've had good jobs numbers ever since the Fed has been trying to fuck up the economy. They just can't fuck it up. The economy is too good. So the Fed is not going to increase interest rates anymore. We already have rates coming down. They're going to do the 0.25 again next time, and then they're probably going to halt after that. So I do believe this is a short-term pump or short-term dump, and Bitcoin needed this. I made a video yesterday. Bitcoin cannot go up forever. I'd like to see Bitcoin go down to like maybe even 22,000, to be honest with you, like 22,500. Like it needs to chill out a little bit. But the cool thing is, all people are doing now is just taking the money out of Bitcoin and putting it into altcoins. You have altcoins up, like I said. This is typical bull market shit, folks. Is it a short-term bull market? I don't know. But this is typical bull market stuff right here. I don't think we're going into a bull market. I think we're slowly creeping out of the bear market, but I don't think we're going into a bull market at least till end of the year. But what you're seeing right now is bullish activity for Bitcoin. A little bit of Cardano news. I found this article. Cardano growth is completely different following the release of the DJED. Here's why. Cardano, the smart contract platform and cryptocurrency, is on the rise with the release of its new DJED stablecoin. The new addition to the Cardano ecosystem could be the key to unlocking a new level of growth for the asset. That's what I think. Cardano has always been slow and steady to the race. There's been so many updates this year. This DJED stablecoin is a sweet success. There's another upgrade, I believe, coming out next month for Cardano, and I think there's another coin, another USD-backed coin coming out for Cardano. There's like so much craziness coming out for Cardano. DeFi is supposed to be crazy for Cardano, which it was not last time. So last time Cardano went from 2 cents to $3, and there was hardly any DeFi. Now there's going to be DeFi. Think where Cardano could go. When I say a $5 or $10 Cardano, I'm trying to be conservative because I'm a conservative guy in general, but wouldn't surprise me if Cardano is $20 next year. Anyway, for years, Cardano has been lacking a constant source of funding, but the introduction of the DJED stablecoin may fundamentally change that. The stablecoin offers a new use case for Cardano, providing a steady stream of revenue and interest in the asset. This, in turn, could help to boost the platform's value, leading to a more solid performance on the market. With the launch of the DJED stablecoin, Cardano's developers aim to provide a stable, decentralized alternative to traditional fiat-pegged stablecoins. The new addition to the platform is designed to be more stable, transparent, and secure, offering a number of benefits for both investors and users. Okay, so all I gotta say, folks, is it's not too late to buy Cardano. I mean, Cardano seems to be holding out at 40 cents right now. If Cardano dumps down to like 35 cents again, 36, 37 cents, I mean, I'm snagging more up. I don't know about you. But Cardano is strong right now. There's a lot of good stuff happening. Like I said, if I could go into the future and if I could look into my crystal balls and look for this time next month, I wouldn't be surprised if Cardano's 70, 80 cents. I also wouldn't be surprised if Cardano's back down to 30 cents either, because these markets are freaking crazy. But it would not surprise me, especially if Bitcoin's back to like $25,000 and hanging out there. A lot of these altcoins are just waiting to rip. A lot of these altcoins that haven't ripped yet, like, everybody likes to talk about Matic. Matic's already ripped. The high for Matic is what, 2x from where it is right now. I mean, Matic's a great project. Buying it is great, but there's so much more ROI potential in a coin like Cardano right now. Because remember, folks, the altcoins don't all pump at the same time. They kind of take turns. It's like, okay, Matic had a big pump. Okay, what's next? Okay, next month, let's make next month Litecoin month. Oh, Litecoin was $50. Okay, well now it's $100. Okay, Litecoin had its pump. Okay, what's next? Okay, Solana was $8. Okay, now it's 24. Okay, Solana had its pump. Okay, what's next? And then it could be Cardano, or maybe it'll be something else. But when these altcoins, when they get their big runs, it usually happens with people taking their money out of other coins and put it into that altcoin. Then there's some news for that another altcoin. They take their money out of that altcoin and put it into that altcoin, and it kind of like just repeats itself for like the entire year and a half. And that's how these coins go up, 20-30%. So yes, Cardano is up like 40-50% from its lows, but I believe it still has a lot more to go in the next few months. And I think it's going to eventually stable out over $1, which is where it wants to be. And then once it hits $1, people are going to be going crazy. Then you're going to see the articles everywhere, Cardano back over $1. Oh my God, it's so great. And that's when the money is going to come flooding back in. That's when all the dumb money is going to come flooding back in. And that's going to bring Cardano back up to $2, $3, $4, $5. All right, folks, that's pretty much it. The big news, like I said, was the employment rate is good. So the Fed cannot crash the economy. Doesn't matter. Interest rates are low. They're going to pivot. Most analysts I've been listening to today pretty much think that the Fed just needs to give up on trying to crash the job market. And we're just probably going to have a soft landing, minor recession. Interest rates are coming down anyway. Like I said, we'll probably get the 0.25 again, and then they're basically going to halt. And then that'll probably be what creates the next big run in stocks and crypto. All right, folks, like and subscribe. Talk to you later.